Dangerous visceral fat hides around your organs, but these 5 foods may help fight it. Visceral fat sits deep inside your abdomen, wrapping around organs like the liver and intestines. Too much of it can affect metabolism and long-term health. The good news is certain foods may help support metabolism, balanced blood sugar, and overall fat loss when combined with healthy habits. Recipe number 1 is a simple metabolism support smoothie packed with fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients your body loves. Blend blueberries, spinach, banana, chia seeds, almond milk, and fresh ginger for a refreshing berry metabolism smoothie. The fiber and antioxidants in berries and chia seeds can help support balanced energy and appetite control. Recipe number 2 is a simple garlic lemon salmon dish loaded with protein and healthy fats. Cook fresh salmon with olive oil, garlic, lemon, and asparagus for a balanced, nutrient-dense meal. Salmon provides omega-3 fats and high-quality protein that may support metabolic health. Stay tuned because recipe number 4 may be the most powerful one. Recipe number 3 is a fresh avocado power salad full of fiber, healthy fats, and vibrant vegetables. Combine leafy greens, avocado, tomatoes, cucumber, pumpkin seeds, olive oil, and lemon for a simple nutrient-packed meal. This kind of balanced meal helps keep you full longer while providing important vitamins and minerals. Recipe number 4 is a warmed turmeric ginger tea that's easy to make and incredibly comforting. Steep turmeric and fresh ginger in hot water, then add lemon and a little honey. Both turmeric and ginger contain natural compounds studied for their anti-inflammatory properties. Recipe number 5 is a high-protein berry yogurt bowl that makes a great breakfast or snack. Add Greek yogurt, blueberries, strawberries, walnuts, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Protein and healthy fats help support fullness and steady energy throughout the day. If you'd like the complete ingredient lists and instructions, click the link in the description to see all 5 recipes. These simple foods won't magically melt fat overnight, but they can help your body work the way it was designed to.